welcome back to another video and you are watching FoneZone.ua. मेरे यानी करिश्मा के साथ and this is a great platform where you get to see all the favorite gadgets and the specifications along with the sites where it can be available and available at a very great price. So moving on, today we are going to discuss about an amazing phone. Yes, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा phone, a phone which has not been just into the market but has captured our hearts too. So we are going to talk about none other than our very own famous and one of the very innovative and one of the most recent launch, which was launched in around 2015 and has captured our mind. That is none other than iPhone 6s Plus. So we are going to talk about iPhone 6s Plus today, and we are going to see what are our features, specifications, as well as where you can avail it at a greater price. तो एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा लुक फोन यहाँ पर इसका लुक आप देख सकते हैं, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फोन यहाँ देखने को मिल रहा है. If we talk about the look itself, it's a great phone out है. इसके फीचर्स की बात करें तो कैमरा भी इसमें है, इनबिल्ट है, इसमें सेल्फी कैमरा भी है और साथ ही साथ अगर हम बात करें इसके हर एक फीचर की तो we are going to talk about that today here itself. So talking about this phone, let us talk about the look of this phone. Yes, talking about the look of this phone. इसमें आपको क्या-क्या देखने को मिलेगा, इसमें क्या खास है, क्या variations है, everything out है. Firstly, let us talk about the look only, or like the external features which we can see. It has got some amazing curve out here. Along with it, इसमें आपको देखने को मिलेगा, you will get to see aluminium framework and aluminium back. तो कह सकते हैं जो वर्क आउट है, the entire body of this iPhone 6s Plus is aluminium. Yes, aluminium framework and back itself. Whereas the front is glass front. Glass front, you can see. And if we talk about the glass front, its protection is of glass, Gorilla Glass. Yes, Gorilla Glass की protection है, which is again a very good variant. Whereas if you see the shiny coating out here, yes, you can see the shiny coating out here. It is because of oleophobic coating out there. Yes, coating out which is given for the shininess and for that sparkling, not the sparkling, but yes, a great tinge color out there for the products. It is oleophobic coating. Talking about this phone, we have a nano SIM card slotation for this phone. Yes, it will have a nano SIM card slotation around it. Whereas you can see IPS capacitive touch screening along with 16mm colorization. Yes, 16mm colorization is there, as well as you will see IPS capacitive touch screening also. But if we talk about the size, जी हाँ, अगर हम इसकी size की बात करें इसका screen कितना बड़ा है, इसमें कितनी बड़ा display है. Talking about the display, it has 5.5 inch screen. Yes, 5.5 inch screen, which is absolutely better than OnePlus One and iPhone 6s. Yes, if we talk about iPhone 6 as compared to iPhone 6s Plus, अगर हम दोनों compare करते हैं 6s और 6s Plus को, then you will see that the screen has increased. Yes, OnePlus 6 only. Yes, 1.6 if I talk, iPhone 6 if I talk about 6s only, it said no plus, no pro, nothing, only 6s. It had 4.7 inch screen. Yes, 4.7 inch screen. Whereas iPhone 6s Plus, the current variant we are talking about, 6s Plus, has 5.5 inch screen. So we can see a great increment. And we can say about a 5-inch screen size has increased to a recommendable rate. And if we talk about the density of this phone, if we talk about the variation of this phone, then definitely I can say that it has increased a lot. From 326 ppi to 401 ppi. Yes, density जो है 326 ppi की थी जो कि 401 ppi की हो गई है, तो काफी ज्यादा अच्छी है. This is one of the great feature out here. Whereas you can see something very extraordinary in OnePlus 6 is that is 3D touch display. Yes, it will have 3D touch display, whereas 6 itself and 6s did not have 3D touch display. So this is something very amazing quality, or we can say something very extraordinary quality. There has seen no improvement. Yes, there has been no improvement in the iOS system. It is running on iOS 9 itself, which is upgradable up to iOS 13.5. So iOS 13.5 is a nice variant, and if we see according to 2019 variants, it is still a good variant out here. But in 2020, we have seen iOS 14 to be there. So very many users can check out their phone is eligible for iOS 14 or not. But definitely you can definitely check out because there is some criteria involved in it, and you can definitely see because there are various iPhone models which are availing iPhone 14 out there. Talking about the chip system, CPU, there has been no increment. It is running on Apple A9 itself. Whereas if we talk about the memory card slotation, the internal storage capacity, if we talk about that, we already know that there is nano SIM card slotation out there, but you will not see any external storage capacity. No storage capacity is there, and if I talk about the internally, it has seen no upgradation in the internal storage capacity. Internal storage capacity remains the same. बिल्कुल वही की वही है. 16 GB is there. 16 GB. It is 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB. These four variants are available. सिर्फ ये चार variants है. 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 and 128 GB. Whereas if we talk about the RAM quality, no improvement in RAM also as compared to 6S. या 6S से कंपेयर करें 6S प्लस को तो 6S में भी हमें 2GB RAM देखने को मिली थी. We have seen 2GB RAM in 6S as well as in 6S plus there is 2GB RAM. No increment in the storage capacity. कोई भी storage capacity में increment नहीं किया है. तो प्लस का जो ये टैग दिया गया है, this has been given on some various other points which we are going to talk. No, it is not definitely upon the camera. Camera quality has not changed. It is just because of the screen size and the PPI density right now. Whereas if we talk about the camera quality, single rear camera is present on 6 plus also. अगर हम 6 plus की बात करें तो 6 series में single rear camera आ रहा है with an LED flashlight. It has always been seen either it is one iPhone 6, 6S, 6S plus. It has been there with a single rear camera with LED. Whereas if we talk about rear camera, it is 12 megapixel. Yes, it is 12 megapixel. 12 megapixel का rear camera आपको देखने को मिल रहा है. वहीं पे selfie camera जो है 5 megapixel का है. You will get to see 5 megapixel selfie camera out here, which is again a very good variant. Not a very good variant, but yes, it's a very good variant as compared to 2015 models. फीचर जो पॉसिबल है सेल्फी कैमरा से फेस डिटेक्शन है, वीडियो कॉलिंग है. यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर अदर फीचर्स फॉर द सेल्फी कैमरा इन्वॉल्वड इन इट. Whereas if we talk about the quality in the battery life, if we talk about the storage capacity in the battery capacity, तो इसमें आपको नॉर्मल USB टाइप देखने को मिलेगा. एप्पल का नॉर्मल है. 3.5mm का जैक भी है. And whereas you have the loudspeakers, yes, there are the loudspeaker as well in it. So there are all the factors which have been in the iPhone series till iPhone 6. All the factors have been there. तो आपको अच्छे variants देखने को मिल रहा है. The major factor which has given iPhone 6s plus a plus variant, मतलब जिसकी वजह से प्लस को प्लस का नाम दिया गया है, वो है इसकी बैटरी. Yes, we are talking about the battery. बैटरी की बात करें तो इसमें आपको देखने को मिलेगी 6S में ही आपको देखने को मिलती है. सिर्फ 6S में आपको 1715 mAh की बैटरी देखने को मिलती है. वहीं पर इसके अपग्रेडेड वर्जन की बात करें वन आईफोन की 6S प्लस की, यस, अगर हम आईफोन की 6S की बात कर रहे थे तो हमें पता है कि 1700 की बैटरी है. 1700 तक की बैटरी है. We talk about the 6S only, it's 1700. So that was not very appropriate because 14 hours का आपको टॉक टाइम मिल रहा था. Only 14 hours talk time was available in 6S. Whereas in 6S Plus, अगर हम 6S Plus की बात करें तो उसमें आपको आराम से 2700 mAh की बैटरी देखने को मिल रही है. Yes, 2700 mAh as a great variant. Because it is providing you 24 hours talk time. जी हाँ, 24 hours तक का talk time, which is again a very good variant out है. So ये है आज की हमारी यहाँ पर iPhone 6 की यहाँ पर बात कर रहे हैं हम. iPhone 6s Plus आप सभी के लिए अवेलेबल है बहुत सारी साइट्स पे. बट इतने अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है तो इसकी मार्केट प्राइस भी डेफिनेटली बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी होगी. There will be sites which are offering a great price out there. But Do they offer a pocketable price or not? That's the main question out here. Yes, pocketable price iPhone के लिए सबसे ज्यादा मेन चीज होती है, सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी बात होती है कि आईफोन चाहिए लेकिन चाहिए पॉकेटेबल रेट्स पे, ताकि वो हमारी पॉकेट को कॉस्ट ना करे. So for you, I have got a solution. Yes, I have got an amazing solution. आपको करना कुछ नहीं है. Either you have to go on Google and search, or you can click on the description link. Description में एक छोटा सा link है, आप वहां भी जा सकते हैं. वेबसाइट का लिंक मैंने शेयर किया हुआ है, एंड यू विल सी a website opening such kind of a website. Yes, what is this website actually? ये website और कुछ नहीं, this is a phone website out here. This website name is FoneZone. Yes, website का नाम FoneZone है, and the additional to it is AE. Yes, FoneZone.ae. आपको बस यही टाइप करना है and you will get to this website. Talking about this website, here you see the icon all mobile phones out here. सारे के सारे mobile phones यहाँ पर हैं. तो आपको brands के नाम देखने को मिलेंगे. You will get to see a number of brands out here. Apple है, Samsung, Nokia, Sony, LG, HTC, n number of brands out there. Like this has got most reputed, renowned brands under its solution.